most likely have not seen a healthcare facility like the one I'm in right now. This is HQ Toronto, located in the downtown core. And this clinic is specifically for cis guys into guys, trans and non-binary people. Its hope is to revolutionize healthcare.
Inside this Bay Street high-rise near College, you'll find what's being called a center of excellence, where the staff reflects the people they care for, including those who have faced stigma and barriers.
They may be coming from places where access to these sorts of services is very limited. There are people whom it just may have been a long time since they last tested. The sort of anxiety and worry that some people have about getting test results often keeps people from coming in.
The process at HQ Toronto, which opens its doors on Tuesday, is designed to empower people.
Right now we're moving into the sexual health center of HQ, and this is where folks are able to come in and have rapid express testing in terms of HIV and STD-BI. Sometimes some folks may not have an OHIP card, and so we provide them with an HQ card.
One can navigate the process on their own with help nearby, including a smart mirror inside the rapid express rooms with results sent to the person within 24 hours.
How to do the oral swab.
And so what happens here, it'll provide you with information exactly how to take the sample and how to label the samples correctly so that you can then provide it to the lab. Once you take the samples and you're finished, you're going to make your way to this blockbusters type of sample drop-off.
HQ Toronto is also able to pivot their services, recently in response to a global public health emergency.
Because of the monkeypox outbreaks, we've created isolation rooms. So that if someone comes in, this is new. We know that we've got good ventilation, so we just extra clean the room. But this means that if somebody comes in, they suspect they've got monkeypox, they can come. We can assess them.
It's really remarkable how you were able to pivot and respond to something that's happening right now.
I mean, part of our hope is that we're in a community that doesn't always get those sorts of responses.
Why is HQ so groundbreaking?
I think HQ is groundbreaking because in many cases, well, one, we have an on-site lab, and two, we are providing services to folks within a marginalized communities that definitely need to understand, well, what is sexual health? And not only that, but providing services that even when you receive results, you're also going to be supported.
A number of community partners are helping to provide diverse social programming.
We have 6-7 different rooms that are for therapy, for individual conversations with people, for mental health help.
And tailored mental health supports are also offered on-site, in person, and virtually.
We will be running groups for trauma, for emotion dysregulation problems, depression, anxiety, and those groups will run in spaces where some of the group members may be coming from across the province.
Funding from the province has helped, but HQ Toronto has also received major donations, hopeful that they are creating an environment where people feel seen and respected.
When you come into a space and you know that everyone here has thought carefully about what your needs might be, you relax, you open up a bit more, and we have a more honest conversation. And honest conversations are the start of a good healthcare.
In Toronto, I'm Faiza Amin for City News.